Smart automation, better business. Learn how to optimize your business with Solved.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're going to continue to dive into Agentforce to see how it can help automate your business. Today, we will explore how Agentforce can significantly enhance approval management within your organization. Let's jump in. Approvals are a crucial part of nearly every workflow, whether it's internal processes or customer-facing interactions. However, they can often become bottlenecks, leading to delays in productivity, missed deadlines, and general frustration due to the lack of visibility. The good news is that Agentforce can absolutely help manage approvals. It's important to understand that Agentforce doesn't replace your existing approval processes. Instead, it enhances the way users interact with the processes, making them more efficient and transparent. I would think of Agentforce as your always-on digital assistant. It proactively keeps users informed, guides them through each step of the approval workflow, and reduces the need to chase down information from different support teams. Agentforce can provide real-time status updates, ensuring that users always know where their request stands. For example, a sales rep could ask, "Has my discount request been approved yet?" And Agentforce would instantly respond with the current status, such as, "Your request is pending manager review," or "approved by finance as of 10:45 a.m. today." Sadly, approvals don't always go smoothly, and users often have questions or encounter issues. Agentforce can handle support requests by helping users troubleshoot common problems. For instance, if someone asks, "Why was my request rejected?" Agentforce could respond, "Your submission was missing required financial documents. Please upload them to continue." Agentforce can intelligently answer user questions about the approval process itself. Whether it's, "What's the next step in this process?" or "Who needs to approve this?" Agentforce can reference your approval matrix or Salesforce logic to provide accurate and contextual guidance. Let's take a look at a use case. In sales operations, teams use Agentforce to track pricing, discount, or deal desk approvals. This can significantly reduce the number of follow-up emails and speeds up the quote generation process so we can make sure these deals get closed faster. What sets Agentforce apart is its context-aware communication. It understands who is asking, what they are asking about, and where they are in the approval process. This leads to a more personalized experience with reduced friction. So, to answer the question, can Agentforce manage approvals? Absolutely. It streamlines the entire process by keeping people informed, answering their questions, and improving overall efficiency. Thank you so much for watching and taking time to learn how Agentforce can help transform your business. We hope you found this information valuable. For more information, continue to watch our videos on Agentforce or visit our website at solved.cloud. We hold AI webinars that you can find on our website. You can also schedule time to meet with our team. We are currently offering Agentforce proof of concept projects. We would love to help you find ways that you can automate your business. Hope you have a great day.
Thank you so much for watching. We can't wait to help you automate your business. Please like, comment, or subscribe for more.